अगर आपने परफॉर्म नहीं किया है ये रिसेंट एफएमजीई में, आप मनचाहा आपका स्कोर नहीं ला पाए या 150 तक मार्क्स नहीं स्कोर पाए, तो डोंट वरी। हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द biochemistry for FMG examination, how to revise biochemistry in a single day, and most important thing, focused on the PYQs. Hello FMG students, how are you? अगर आपने परफॉर्म नहीं किया है ये रिसेंट एफएमजी में, आप मनचाहा आपका स्कोर नहीं ला पाए या 150 तक मार्क्स नहीं स्कोर पाए, तो डोंट वरी। नाउ प्रेस द रीस्टार्ट बटन and read again the important topics from the biochemistry. Now, how to prepare for the biochemistry for FMG examination? It is very easy. Plan your study hours, and according to that study hours, you have to read for some important topics from the biochemistry. For example, vitamin, minerals, and various inborn errors or clinical cases related with the biochemistry. Now see how to revise biochemistry in a single day. How to revise biochemistry? First, focus, give time on some important topics. For example, vitamin, minerals, and pathways. Just practice that pathways and do the clinical cases related with that pathway. For example, take one metabolism. Take carbohydrate metabolism. Carbohydrate metabolism. For example, when you think about the carbohydrate metabolism, 10 to 11 clinical cases with short clinical history should be in your mind. For example, diabetic ketoacidosis, the most important case. Diabetic ketoacidosis is related with the carbohydrate metabolism, lipid metabolism. Then it is related with the potassium, and it is related with the acid base balance. So high anion gap metabolic acidosis is there and compensated by the hyperventilation. So it is integrated topic. Nowadays there are a lot of questions on the integrated topic. For example, pyridoxal phosphate, it is connected with amino acid metabolism, transamination. It is required for the glycogen phosphorylase activity, heme synthesis pathway. The important step, ALA synthase, it is catalyzed by the the coenzyme is pyridoxal phosphate. The integrated topic, horizontally integrated topic, the integration between the subject, in the subject, and vertical integration, that first year subjects connected with second year, third year, and fourth year subject. Now, first and most important thing, focused on the PYQs, previous year questions first, followed by the previous year topics. प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस फर्स्ट फॉलोड बाय द प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक्स. और जब आप लोग क्वेश्चन छुड़ा रहे हो, जैसे टेस्ट एंड डिस्कशन के क्वेश्चन छुड़ा रहे हो या मॉक टेस्ट छुड़ा रहे हो, तो फोकस करो जो क्वेश्चन आपको आया नहीं, क्योंकि जो आपका पहले अटेम्प्ट में सही आएगा वो दूसरे अटेम्प्ट में भी सही आएगा, तीसरे अटेम्प्ट में भी सही आएगा. जितनी भी बार आप छुड़ाओगे, इसके चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं कि आपका वो क्वेश्चन का आंसर सही आएगा. लेकिन जो आपका पहले अटेम्प्ट में गलत आया, उस पर आपने वर्क नहीं किया, तो आपका दूसरे अटेम्प्ट में भी गलत होगा, तीसरे अटेम्प्ट में भी गलत होगा, अगर आपने उस पर फोकस नहीं किया, उससे रिलेटेड आपने पढ़ाई नहीं की. तो आप सभी को पता है, जैसे एसिड बेस बैलेंस पे बार बार क्वेश्चन आता है, और हमने एसिड बेस बैलेंस का डायग्नोसिस, उसमें जो एनायन गैप दिया है उसके बारे में, उसके कॉजेस और उसका कॉम्पेंसेटरी मैकेनिज्म हमने अच्छे से नहीं किया, और फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकंड लाइन एंड थर्ड लाइन ऑफ डिफेंस हमने अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा, तो उसका जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा, क्योंकि न्यूमरिकल्स जो वहाँ पे मैथमेटिक टाइप क्वेश्चन है, अगर वो चेंज हो गए तो उसका आंसर भी चेंज होता. सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट टॉपिक. सो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एंड प्रीवियस ईयर टॉपिक्स, दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल. Suppose in one exam there is question on metabolic acidosis. In the next subsequent examination, there is a chance of getting question on other acid base disorder. For example, respiratory alkalosis or respiratory acidosis or metabolic alkalosis. If you got question in this exam about on the diabetic ketoacidosis or metabolic acidosis with compensation, there is a chance in next exam you will get question on high anion gap metabolic acidosis or normal anion gap metabolic acidosis. So you should be thorough with the answer. Your answer should be prepared. Okay, so PYQs and PYTs, they are very very important topics, and mock test, and the test and discussions, these are very very important, particularly those question जो जो क्वेश्चन आपने गलत किया है उस पे वर्क करना काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. Each and every point about the vitamins topic, each and every points about the mineral topic, because these topics are connected with the various topics in the subject. Also outside the subject, this vitamin and mineral, it is connected with the pediatric, it is connected with the ophthalmology, it is connected with the PSM, it is connected with the medicine. So it is integrated topic, vitamin and minerals. Various cases are there. For example, think about the vitamins starting from the A, D, E, K. So night blindness is a clinical case. Bitot spot, clinical case. Rickets, osteomalacia, clinical case. Vitamin E deficiency manifestation, bleeding manifestations in the vitamin K, how vitamin K is required for the activation of certain clotting factors. This is important. From the water soluble vitamins, scurvy, vitamin C, it is important. B1 related beriberi, dry beriberi, wet beriberi, infantile beriberi, and Wernicke's Korsakoff psychosis is the important. Regarding B2, riboflavin deficiency manifestations, that is circumoral manifestations in terms of chillosis, glossitis, angular stomatitis, then the corneal, circumcorneal vascularization and seborrheic dermatitis. These are the deficiency manifestations of B2 like this. The niacin deficiency causes pellagra, pantothenic acid deficiency causes burning feet syndrome, pyridoxine deficiency causes convulsion, seizures, anemia. Vitamin B7 deficiency causes mild rash and hemolytic anemia. B12 and B9 deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia. In that way, the lot of clinical cases are there from the vitamin and mineral topic, and this topic is connected with the community medicine for its prevention. This topic is connected with the pediatric as a disease. It is connected with the pediatric. So vertical integration is there in between the vitamin, mineral with the other subjects, pediatric and medicine. That's why this topic becomes very very important, top rated topic for any examination, vitamin minerals. Also the different pathways, for example जैसे हमने कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेटाबॉलिज्म का एग्जांपल लिया था, इसमें कितने सारे इनबॉर्न एरर्स या जो एंजाइम डिफिशियंसीज है जो पाथवे के साथ रिलेटेड है. जैसे हमने लिया कार्बोहाइड्रेट मेटाबॉलिज्म, सी diabetic ketoacidosis, this is not inborn error but it is an important topic from the carbohydrate metabolism. Then गैलेक्टोसेमिया जिसमें कैटरैक्ट रहता है, कंजेनाइटल कैटरैक्ट रहता है, जिसमें हाइपोग्लाइसेमिया रहता है, जिसमें जॉन्डिस रहता है, जिसमें मेंटल रिटार्डेशन रहता है. देन हेरिडिटरी फ्रुक्टोज इंटॉलरेंस, लैक्टेज डिफिशियंसी, सुक्रेज डिफिशियंसी, देन G6PD deficiency, then glycogen storage disorders in which the von Gog's disease, Pompe's disease, McArdle disease. So these diseases are very very important and frequently asked in the FMG examination or any entrance examination. So while preparing for any entrance examination, whether it is FMG, INICET or the NEET PG entrance examination, just focused on the PYQs and the PYTs and the important topics from any subject regarding biochemistry, vitamin, mineral and the various metabolic pathways and the diseases related with the metabolic pathways as a short clinical case is very very important. So this is all about the biochemistry, how to revise biochemistry for FMG examination. Don't be nervous, be confident, just focused on your strength. Go for the must read topics. Just try to cover the 90 to 95% of the syllabus. Forget about the rare 5% things. The important tables from the Harper, these are also important. Harper tables, कौन से tables? Harper के Harper tables, Harper's illustrated biochemistry table. For example, mucopolysaccharidosis, glycogen storage disorders, lysosomal storage diseases, Fredrickson classification of hyperlipidemia, and the DNA repair mechanism. These are the important tables, and many more tables are there from the Harper's illustrated biochemistry. These tables are very very important for biochemistry. So biochemistry is a easy subject but volatile subject. It is difficulty in retaining the topic. You can remember the topic by doing the practice, by the writing practice. So this is all for FMG preparation as far as biochemistry is concerned. So best of luck all of you. Be confident, and अगर आपने पिछले एग्जाम में स्कोर नहीं किया है so just press the restart button, start again and go with the flow. So thank you very much all of you. Thank you very much.